We got Mitchell's tinting up here in the shop today.
We're just gonna put a pro charger on it.
Gotta hit on this, man. You got two out there, you're in the tent. Can't say what they are.
Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do some stuff to the 240, but believe it or not, we have sold this thing. So we're trading it with a guy for something. I'm not going to tell you what it is right yet, but so we're getting rid of the car. This thing's pre-dialed, as you can see. This car is going away, but I promised the guy that we would put some XR 15% ceramic all over it. So we're gonna tint this thing now, but we're giving him the Mishimoto radiator from the KA that was in here. We're giving him the Raddan Hydro with the master cylinder, giving him the Link ECU, some ARP studs and everything. This car also is coming with the X-Pump tires, the ECR wheels. We got the motor here. This is the KA motor that I blew up the bottom end on, so that's all taken apart already, but it also comes with the rest of the motor, which you could just have it resurfaced and fixed and everything will be good to go. But we got all that stuff. We got some more stuff in here for that motor, but that's all gonna go with him. But he's probably gonna come about 10 days and pick this thing up, so we got time to clean it up. But so, I don't know, we're gonna get to it and get this thing tinted, so let's go. Film strength. This one is a little bit more difficult. If you can see, they kind of curve like that at the bottom, and then they curve like that at the top, but then also here they curve there. But as you guys know, when you squeegee it down, you're going to do the H pattern. But what you do here is, if you can see, the way the defrost lines go is the way you want to squeegee it down, and that's your biggest that's a big tip right there. So see how they go kind of like that and curve up right here? So to get it to lock down flat here and here, you're gonna have to squeegee it across and go up with the curvature. But you do it with your hand first and make sure it's flat there before you squeegee that. And then as you're shrinking it, you're gonna have to float that and not come past the edge. But shrinking it's a whole nother game. We'll show you that on another episode. But we got everything done and we're about to start filling this stuff in. So let's get back to it. Let's go. Going home with y'all. The seats are stationary, and I'm gonna have to figure out how to climb through that hole without the seats moving, but I'm gonna take out all that other stuff. Lucha's back from picking up the kids, so she is going to tint the quarters and the front doors, so we'll get to the time lapse on that. Let's go. right, so we ended up having to take the whole seat out of this thing just to get into the back. We've already tinted all the doors and the quarters and everything, but she's gonna get in here and get all the steel wool or the window cleaned with steel wool and everything. Then I'll hop in there and put the window in. Then we just got the door, and then that should be it. So back to it again. Let's go. All finished. I had to take the seat out, unfortunately, but I got it all put back in, and this thing is looking clean. So we got the single layer ceramic, 15%, blocks about 88% infrared heat, and this thing is looking clean. Yep, so this thing's all ready to go, but that's it for now. Let's go.